Let's discuss 16th question. Here given is an AP whose third term is 16. That is given to us is T3 is 16. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. That is T7 minus T5 is given as 12. So here we have two equations, and when we'll put the value of T3 and T7 in terms of A and D, we'll get two equations in form of A and D, and we'll solve them to get our answer. So here T3 is given as 16. So from here we'll get the equation that T3 is A plus 3 minus 1, that is A plus 2D, that's given as 16. So that's our first equation in terms of A and D. And from this T7 minus T5 equals to 12. From here we'll get our second equation. T7 is A plus 6D and T5 is A plus 4D, and their difference is given as 12. Here when we open the bracket, A will get cancelled, we'll get 2D is 12 or D is 6. So here we have got our value of D directly. Otherwise normally we get two equations, two variables, and we'll solve them simultaneously to get A and D. So here if D is 6, we'll put this value of D here and solve it to get A as 4. So we have got our AP with first term as 4, common difference as 6, and thus the AP will be 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. And that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.